A huge trade here on ForexTrendy hourly time frame. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you which opportunities you can grab using this amazing online tool. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the forex market and on ForexTrendy. I will show you the trades on the 1 hour time frame. I usually make videos on the 5 minutes time frame, but today I want to show you the hourly one because I know that there are guys out there that like to trade for a longer time span. So I want to show you which opportunities you can get using this online tool. Before starting, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. If you want to use ForexTrendy, you will find a link below in the description under the title. So, a very important premise before starting my review: in order to make money on the forex market, even on the stock market, okay, on every market you want to trade, it's mandatory to have a strategy or multiple strategies. I have like 20 strategies, so I know what to do in every market scenario. So this is my very strong advice in order to save your money and grow your account. So the first trade on the hourly time frame, September the 1st, 2020, we have here a downtrend on the Australian dollar and the New Zealand one, a triangle sell signal, break at 0909. It was like a manual trade because we got the breakout here and the price retraced back inside the triangle and then continue to fall down, reaching the 0817 level. So a nice one, okay, a very nice trade. Then the price started to rebound on this very strong level around 20, okay, started to go up again, retesting the trend line, okay, but very nice profit, you know, because we got this first bearish impulse, then the retracement, and the second one to catch some profit. And also the Fibonacci targets below got filled, at least at the 161.8 level, and even the 4 target. Let's jump to the British pound and the New Zealand dollar, and another very nice trade. Looking at the price action, we got the triangle sell signal break at 97.95. The price fell down, stopping at 96.87, then went back up, retesting the trend line, and then continued to go down, reaching the 92.66 level. So a huge one for traders that have multiple targets. Okay, 500 pips more or less. British pound USD is not always a good day. Of course, you are not gonna win all the trades. This must be clear, you know, because maybe a viewer at first glance see all these very good trades and then get captured by this making money online dream, and then but the reality is another, because we got bad trades too, okay. So it's very important to use a stop loss and strategies in place. So British pound USD, we have a flag buy signal, break at 32.68. The price failed to continue this very nice uptrend, and after retesting this level around 32.13, bounced back and started to go down. Okay. So it was a bad one. Stop loss failed for traders out there. Use stop loss guys, okay. Let's jump to the euro and the Swiss franc. It looks like we have a very particular. Okay, we have not an uptrending price action, because we have this consolidation movement here. Then we have a very fickle and strong bullish impulse, and then the price continue to go down, retesting this previous level. And then after the breakout, we got like 1, 2, 3 dojis. The price started to go up. But for me, this price action is not very reliable, because speculation is too high here. Doesn't give any safety. Okay, it's not safe for me according to my rules. So this is the end of the first part of this video. I'm gonna upload the second one tomorrow, so stay tuned, subscribe, click on the link below in the description. See you, bye bye.